This week, we are focusing on challenging vocabularies to help students improve their reading and writing skills. Word number 1 is area. The noun area is part of a town, country, or the world. For example, you can find lots of wild kangaroos in rural areas of Australia. The noun area is also a measurement of a surface or piece of land. For example, I need to measure the area of the room so I can put carpet down. The formula to work out the area of a surface is length times width. Word number 2 is perimeter. The noun perimeter is the boundary line of a shape, area, or object. For example, the guards walked around the perimeter of the prison. To work out the perimeter of a shape, all you have to do is add the length of all sides. Word number 3 is flippant. The adjective flippant means not showing a serious or respectful attitude towards something. For example, she was flippant in her class, so she got very bad grades in her report card. Break the word flippant up to help you remember the spelling. Flip and pant. There are 2 P's in the word flippant. Word number 4 is achieve. The verb achieve means to gain with effort. For example, the only way to achieve the impossible is to believe that it is possible. The rule I before E except C applies here. The word achieve contains the word eve. Word number 5 is indulge. The verb indulge means to give satisfaction to. For example, my brother likes to indulge in delicious food that my mum cooks. Don't forget the letter L in indulge. Word number 6 is excuse. The word excuse can be both a verb and a noun. As a verb, the word excuse is to show politeness. For example, excuse me a moment, I'll be with you shortly. As a noun, the word excuse is to defend yourself with a reason. For example, teachers rarely believe an excuse for missing homework since the students' reasons are usually not true. Word number 7 is relinquish. The word relinquish means to give up. For example, if you don't relinquish that cookie box and share with your brother, you will not get any cookies, said Mum angrily. Break the word up to help you remember the spelling. Re-lin-quish. Word number 8 is surrender. The verb surrender means to give in. For example, Coco the kitten surrendered to his enemy, Popo the puppy. Don't forget there are 2 R in the word surrender. Do not spell surrender as S-U-R-R-E-N-D-A-R. Word number 9 is scorching. The adjective scorching means hot and dry, which is enough to burn a surface. For example, the volcano spewed out scorching volcanic ashes, gases, and rocks. You can also say a 40 degrees summer day will be scorching hot for everyone. Word number 10 is analogy. The noun analogy is a comparison between one thing and another. For example, life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. This analogy means in a box of chocolate, there are a lot of different flavors. If you pick one, it is you who will experience the sweetness and the bitterness of whatever you would pick. Life is similar to that. Whatever decisions you choose and pick in your life, it is you who will experience the sweetness or the bitterness of the choices you make in your life. This is an example of an analogy where life is compared to a box of chocolates. Word number 11 is lineage. Another word for lineage is ancestry. For example, on his father's side, he could trace his lineage all the way back to the convicts who landed in Australia centuries ago. Can you see the words line and age in lineage? The word lineage is a compound word. Word number 12 is dray. The noun dray is a cart without sides to carry heavy loads. For example, the horse pulled the dray with great difficulty. You can see the word ray in dray. Word number 13 is covered. The adjective covered means secretive or hidden. For example, the FBI carried out covert surveillance of the building for several months in order to catch the criminal. Can you see the word cover in covered? Word number 14 is stealthy. The adjective stealthy means secretive or sneaky. For example, the robber treads carefully in the bank with stealthy footsteps as he tries to steal money. Can you see the word steal in stealthy? Word number 15 is surreptitious. The word surreptitious is the synonym for stealthy, which also means secretive or sneaky. For example, when no one was looking, the woman took a surreptitious bite on the chocolate cake. Break the word up to help you remember the spelling. Surreptitious. Don't forget there are two R in surreptitious. Word number 16 is flock. The noun flock refers to a number of birds. For example, we saw a flock of geese in the lake. Can you see the word lock in flock? Word number 17 is churlish. The adjective churlish means rude and ill-mannered. For example, my friend invited me to dinner and I thought it would be churlish to refuse. Word number 18 is mollify. The verb mollify means to calm down. For example, we tried to mollify the hysterical child by promising her many gifts. Don't forget there are two L in the word mollify. Word number 19 is fusty. The adjective fusty means stale and unclean smelling. For example, my bedroom smells fusty because of the dirty clothes. The word fusty rhymes with dusty. Word number 20 is bliss. The adjective blith means carefree and happy. For example, the student tried to remain blith even though she had failed the end of year exam. This brings to the end of our spelling list 15B. Keep practicing and good luck in your spelling test.